Now the changes that takes place in the embryoblast. Embryoblast is the inner cell mass. Now embryoblast will again divide into two layers. The upper columnar layer of cells called as the epiblast cells, and the lower cuboidal layer of cell called as hypoblast. Okay, the rule of 2, the inner cell mass is divided into two layers of cell, upper columnar layer called as epiblast, lower cuboidal layer called as hypoblast. Okay, now what will happen, these inner cell mass will start detaching itself from the trophoblast layer. Okay, it will start detaching and come in between, this layer comes in between, like this. Okay, upper cell epiblast and lower layer is hypoblast layer. Now it has detached from the trophoblast layer, so and form a cell and form a layer of cells from the trophoblast layer. So this layer of cell is formed from the trophoblast layer. Okay, this layer of cell is called as amnion, and the cavity that is formed above the epiblast cells is called as amniotic cavity. Similarly, the cavity formed below is called as primary yolk sac, or the and the cells, this is again cell from the cytotrophoblast layer. This lining is the cell from the cytotrophoblast layer, and it is called as Husser's membrane. Okay, and it forms the primary yolk sac. Now what will happen, some